Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out this Countertop reverse osmosis water filter system, and VonWater was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now, you're probably wondering, why do I have this sideways? Well, I just wanted to give you guys a look at the water tank and everything first. Here it is here on the back. You just remove this and then you can fill it, or you can pull this out and you can fill it as well. Just take it over to your sink, fill it up, and you will be good to go. Another thing up here, this top piece, it just pops off. And then this is where your filter is going to be. You just pull it straight up, take it out, and then whenever you're done, you replace it, put a new one in there. You'll flush this 3 times, this tank 3 times each time you change that filter out. Now let's go ahead and turn this around. All right, so here's the front. You got your screen right here. Easy to use. You just push the button, it begins to dispense water. Now, if you want to dispense a specific amount of water, you can select one of these. You have 5, you have 10, you have 17, and you have 25. So if we want 25, we could just put this underneath there. I don't know if that'll overflow. We'll do 10 right here, and it will dispense 10 ounces of water here really quick. You can see it counting up as it goes. So you know you got 2, 3, 4. It'll continue on until it gets to that 10 ounces. You can see it dispensing down here out of your pitcher. And yes, this is a pitcher. I'm going to go ahead and take this out as soon as that stops, and I will show you how the pitcher works. Boom, that stops right there. And then we can take our pitcher here and we can pour some water also. Put our empty pitcher back in here and you will see how it begins to refill. It doesn't take too long for this to completely refill once that has been all dispensed out of there. Maybe 2-3 minutes total. Also here, it will show you the TDS, which is your total dissolved solids. Here in Oklahoma, we have absolutely horrible water. From the tap, I'm probably getting like close to 500 TDS, which is supposed to be the max. And you can see it's taking it all the way down to 30. So significant decrease right there. So really nice. Overall, been really happy with this. I think it's great. Very low maintenance on this. It just has 1 filter in there. Some of these other ones you see have multiple filters in there, kind of a pain to maintain. But yeah, this one great. That filter should last you 12 to 24 months. So if you're looking for a nice reverse osmosis machine, a Countertop one, go ahead and check this one out right here from VonWater.